back to another video. So as y'all can see, I'm in a new background. Real different. So some news, as you can see by the title, I moved into my very first apartment by myself, period. Super excited. I'm a little drunk, but we're gonna get through this. Let me do the thumbnail. Okay, so this is gonna be a real quick video. Oh, this is the person to my channel. My name's Danique, and I'll give you a second to subscribe to me. Let me comment down a little bit. Okay, hope you subscribe. I have more great content like this, period. So, yes, I moved into my very first apartment by myself. Like, no one's here but me, period. Super excited. I don't know, I just wanted this for a long time, so I'm like really excited about it. I worked so hard for it. You know, I did this by myself, period. I don't know, I'm just super excited about it, super proud of myself because, like I said, it's something I wanted for a long time and it's finally here. I'm turning 25 in like 2 months. I feel like it's just right on time, you know? I know I have not been consistent, as I addressed in my previous video, if you haven't watched that. And I told you guys the reasons why. But you know, getting an apartment was one of those reasons why I wasn't active. But now that's out the window because, baby, look, I'm going to give y'all an apartment tour. Not anytime soon, because I feel like I need a lot of stuff still, which I don't ever need like a lot of stuff, but I just want to get everything together before I show you guys. But I did do a move-in vlog where I show you guys like some of the apartment kind of. So, train. Sorry, ignore that. But that video will be up. I just have not felt like editing it because I've been busy trying to get, you know, this situation together. But I'm gonna put this video up ASAP, and then the move-in vlog will follow. So look out for that, and then the apartment tour, that's coming eventually. Let me take a sip. So now that I do live by myself, I probably can post more often, which I'm really gonna try. I did cut back on spending so much money on clothes because I was wasting money. Like, I bought all these clothes in 2020 that I didn't wear because of Miss Corona, and she's not going anywhere. So I can't be like that with my money anymore because I just can't. I have bills, real bills to pay now, so I can't be doing that. But I do have some hauls coming up from companies that sent me clothes, which this is from Pretty Little Thing. They ain't sent me shit yet, but this is gonna be one of my hauls coming up. It's a set. I can't show y'all, wait till the haul. I got like some sets like this to do a Pretty Little Thing haul. Then I have 2 videos coming up with different companies, so it's probably gonna come this month. And yeah, like I said, this is gonna be a quick video. I just want to give y'all an update and let y'all know I got my apartment. It happened super fast. So I seen this house on a Sunday. That same day I applied because I loved the apartment. Then I don't even know, like maybe Wednesday that day I got they ran my credit and background check and all that shit they have to do for you to get an apartment, and I got approved, and they said I was moving in Saturday. So literally within a week, less than a week, I seen this apartment and found out I was moving. So it all happened very fast. Like, I did not have anything. Like, I wasn't prepared at all, but I really wanted to take this apartment because I loved it. And I seen other apartments, but I just fell out with the layout. I just fell in love with the layout of this apartment. And when I do the apartment tour, y'all will see, like, it's like perfect for like a first apartment. So, but yeah, now that I live on my own and everything, I'm gonna be able to push out more videos, push out more content. So let me know what y'all want to see from me. Like, I'm open to new things. I feel like it's gonna give me so much creative freedom living by myself, so I'm excited for that. You know, when you live with other people, you have to like kind of work around everyone's schedule, so it was hard to film like consistently, but now I can do it whenever. I don't have to worry about, you know, someone being loud in the background or like someone's sleep. I can do shit on my time, period. So is up, is lit. But that's what I wanted to tell y'all, and I'm super excited. Let me know what y'all want to see from me. I'm so excited. I really can't wait to show y'all the place, but I can't yet. But I will tell y'all I have 2 rooms. This one is going to be my YouTube and makeup room and stuff like that, and y'all can probably see some boxes behind me, but this room's like a mess right now. It's a work in progress, but I'm gonna be doing my filming probably in this room. My bedroom's like right next door to this, so this is gonna be my filming room. So that's another thing about this apartment. I was looking for 1-bedroom apartments, and I just stumbled across this place, and I'm actually glad I got a 2-bedroom. I need it, definitely need it. I have so much bullshit, so it's lit. I'm happy, super happy. So that's what's going on with me. Good news. And I'm gonna be filming more consistently. I know I've been like slacking so much, but I got y'all. That's it for this quick video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next video. Peace.